Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and highly profitable topic for all the trading enthusiasts out there. In this video, we will be discussing the daily profit strategy in option trading, a method that can potentially help you generate consistent earnings from the market. Before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Option trading, if done correctly, can be an incredible way to make money in the financial markets. However, it requires a solid strategy and a thorough understanding of the market dynamics. Today, we will explore a daily profit strategy that can help you navigate this ever-evolving space with confidence and success. Understanding the daily profit strategy. The daily profit strategy in option trading focuses on taking advantage of short-term price movements, enabling traders to make consistent profits on a daily basis. This strategy involves identifying stocks or assets that are exhibiting strong momentum or volatility potential, and capitalizing on these moves within a single trading day. First, proper research and analysis. The first step to successfully implementing the daily profit strategy is conducting thorough research and analysis. Start by identifying stocks or assets that are displaying heightened volatility or are poised for a significant price movement. Utilize various technical indicators, chart patterns, and fundamental analysis to identify potential trading opportunities. Second, selecting the right options. Once you have identified the underlying asset, it's time to select the appropriate options contracts. Look for options that have a short expiration date, ideally within a week or less. Focus on options with a high open interest and trading volume, as this indicates the presence of liquidity and efficient execution. Third, determining entry and exit points. After selecting the options, it's crucial to determine the entry and exit points for your trades. This decision should be based on technical analysis indicators, such as moving averages, support and resistance levels, or even candlestick patterns. Set realistic profit targets and implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital in case the trade moves against you. Fourth, leveraging strategic tools. To enhance the efficiency of your daily profit strategy, it's essential to leverage strategic tools available in the market. Use screeners or scanners to identify stocks exhibiting the desired volatility characteristics. Consider utilizing Options Volatility Index (VIX) to gauge overall market sentiment and select the best trading opportunities. Fifth, risk management. As with any trading strategy, risk management plays a vital role in the daily profit strategy. Always define your risk tolerance and the maximum amount of capital you are willing to allocate to a single trade. Implement proper position sizing and never risk more than a predetermined percentage of your total trading capital in a single trade. So traders, here are the tips for success for the option selling strategies. Let's begin. First, now that we have outlined the core steps of the daily profit strategy, let's discuss some additional tips that can further enhance your success in option trading. Second, stay updated with market news, earnings reports, and other events that may impact your chosen assets. These factors can significantly influence price movements and present lucrative trading opportunities. Third, maintain a trading journal to record your trades, including the rationale behind each decision, entry and exit points, and overall outcome. This will help you identify patterns, evaluate the effectiveness of your strategy, and make necessary adjustments. Fourth, consider using a simulator or paper trading account to practice implementing the daily profit strategy without risking real money. This will help you fine-tune your skills, gain confidence, and eliminate emotional decision-making. In conclusion, the daily profit strategy in option trading can be a game-changer for those seeking consistent profits. However, remember that success in trading requires continuous learning, adaptability, and disciplined execution. Develop a solid understanding of market dynamics, apply rigorous research and analysis, and leverage strategic tools to stay ahead of the game. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Happy trading!